Hey everyone, this is Pip with BitTaxer, and in this tutorial I wanted to show you how easy it is to create an account in BitTaxer. If you have any questions after watching this tutorial, please feel free to chat with us using the chat widgets on our webpage, in the BitTaxer app, or by sending an email to help@bittaxer.com. Alright, so let's get started. First things first, open up a web browser and navigate to bittaxer.com, and from the top navigation menu, select Sign Up. This opens the Create Account screen where you would enter your account information as normal. When creating your account in BitTaxer, keep in mind that the password must be strong in nature, meaning it must be comprised of a complex combination of words, phrases, numbers, and special characters. Pay attention to the password complexity bubble on the right. It will notify you when your password is strong enough. Once you've agreed to the terms and conditions, you can go ahead and click the Create Account button. There is also an option to use Google Authentication to create your account, just by clicking the Sign In with Google button. Once the account is created, a confirmation email with an activation link will be sent to the account email address. In the email, click the link, click here to activate your account, and this will verify your account and redirect you to the BitTaxer Plans and Pricing page. On the Plans and Pricing page, there are 3 plans available for the individual user. The first plan is the freemium level plan, which gives you basic access to BitTaxer software. The individual user plan gives you access to all BitTaxer reporting, including the ability to print an 8949 form, review the BitTaxer tax information worksheet, and export to several file formats. The last plan is BitTaxer Pro, BitTaxer's tax management solution for CPAs or tax professionals. We have specific videos featuring BitTaxer Pro, so for this tutorial we will focus on the first 2 plans. If you were to select the individual plan, you would be prompted to enter payment information, and once confirmed, you would be forwarded along to the guidance screen. Whether selecting freemium or the individual levels, you will eventually be directed to the BitTaxer guidance system, which is where this tutorial ends. So I will go ahead and select the freemium option here, and we will end on the BitTaxer guidance screen, intro screen. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget, if you have any questions or comments, please reach out to us using the chat widgets on our webpage, in the BitTaxer app, or by sending us an email at help@bittaxer.com. Thanks for watching, and thanks for choosing BitTaxer. Take care.